Hey everyone, this is a quick demo to show you how to make your collage self-portrait on Jamboard. So the first thing, you clicked on the link and it took you to a copy. So you clicked copy and you're going to come up here and add your name to the top. That's important so that I know whose artwork I'm looking at. And then we can start creating a picture of ourselves. So let me show you a finished example. So you can see a collage is putting together images to create a new picture. So to start my face, I can either use the pen tool and just draw. You are limited on colors by clicking this little arrow. You can see your other pen tool options. You are limited on colors. So that's why I would recommend maybe coming to the add image section and there we go, typing in what you're looking for. So you could type in an oval or a face. I typed in peach circle. I'm going to find one that looks sort of like me. Now this isn't perfect. Usually collages have some room for adjustment, so I'm going to pretend like a circle is my face. I know usually when we draw faces, we don't use circles, but you could put oval, maybe that would work. Now I'm going to need some eyes, so I come to the image, I could Google search, I'm going to click eye. Oh, like I could click this eye. So I clicked it, I click select, I can resize it so that it fits. Remember, collage is taking images from different places and different kinds of images and creating a new picture with different images. And maybe I want to draw my nose. If you have a touch screen, you can use this tool to do your touch screen. Maybe I'll draw my mouth too. You can always add pictures. And then my hair. So I could look up a picture and see if I could find hair, but I think I'm just going to draw my hair. And then I'm actually wearing a bun today, so I'll do this. But I need some color in there, and I told you we're limited on color. So how do I fix that? Well, I go to add image, and I'm going to just type in brown because my hair is brown. And that's going to come up with a brown square. So I select it. And I can use this brown square to fill in my hair. And how do I get more of them? By clicking on these three dots and clicking duplicate. And then I just keep clicking duplicate and I can turn them, resize them, and fill in my hair. All right, so another thing. So after you do that, so you finish your face, now we need to add stuff in the background that tells about who we are. So I'm going to go back to add image. I'm going to type in, how about a brain? So we can use images as symbols. Remember, a symbol is a picture that represents something else. So a brain could represent that I think I'm smart. So I could put a brain, I can do this little arrow thing up here and I can turn it, I can resize it. Maybe I also want to put in something about being kind. So maybe I type in the word kind. Oh, look, there's some different things I can find. I can scroll down. I like this one, stay kind. So I click it and then I click select. So we're filling in the background, the area around yourself, with images or words that describe you. So let's see, I also like fall. So find a picture of some fall leaves, click it, click select. Now let's say I want this picture to be behind this picture. So I can click the three arrows and go to order and say send to back. Or the opposite, if I want it to come to the front, I can click the three dots and go to bring to the front. And that's going to work when I need to add a shirt to myself. So we'll just do, here, I'll do this yellow shirt. Select, but it's going to cover up part of my face, right? So I need to send it to the back. Click the three dots and send to the back. Now it looks like I'm wearing a shirt. So you want to make sure you fill the space. Oh, I didn't show you. You can change the background color. You have limited options on what to put in the background, but you could also find a big square of color and put that in the background if you want. But this is our ultimate goal. We're creating an image about ourselves using other images and words. All right, I can't wait to see your artwork. Don't forget to record your Flipgrid video.